Night Benidorm looks amazing. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. It is evening/nighttime already. The sun set down. It is dark outside and we are right in the heart of typical Spanish area of Benidorm. This is where locals love to go for some cheap coffee, some nice and authentic food. Typical local small shops with reasonable prices are also located here nearby. From here, we're heading down towards the Dove Park to see what's going on and how things have changed right now when, well, summer season is technically practically over. Some cheap shops here nearby are still open. They're open up until 9:30 in the evening. It is 8:30, 8:40 right now. So for a little bit more of time, these shops will maintain their doors open. Even different types of souvenir places, ATMs, even some companies still have their doors open for their clients. Ooh, some renovations. Probably it might be some brand new cafeteria out here. Locals love a good deal, and not only locals, everyone, tourists as well. Hence, a lot of the places that are shutting down right now and opening up with new things probably are bars or some kind of food places. These ones are the most profitable ones and the ones that are probably going to survive through the winter time. There's cheap shops like Superhero, which are more or less like Chinese bazaars. There's even some cheap accommodation options here. There's even touristic accommodation option, even though it is not 100% touristic a place to stay. But it is quite affordable and quite cheap, so it is a possibility. Cinemas. A lot of the times here, there might be some movies that are subtitled, at least subtitled in English. Others are international. They are in English with Spanish subtitles. Many people are heading to the movies, but it's way less than it previously was. Honestly, nowadays, with so many things to do with Amazon Prime, with Netflix, with all different types of subscriptions, people don't go to movies any longer. You can comfortably sit on the sofa, you can grab some popcorn, you can do a perfect movie night at home or even at a rented location, even at the hotel's TV a lot of the time. So less and less people are purchasing more and more expensive tickets out here. Even in the shopping mall, La Marina, which is outside Benidorm, the shopping mall where a lot of tourists and locals actually go whenever they need clothes or accessories, even there, cinema is officially gone because way too little people were heading there for a movie session. Let us know if you went for movie night sometime in the past when you were here in Benidorm, because I do feel like now it's way less common to do so than it previously was. Slightly closer towards the old town and the beach, we start seeing more touristic hotels. A lot of them are refurbished and renewed and are looking absolutely lovely. Even the 3-star hotels. This one here has a free buffet, 15 euros it costs. This is Montesol Hotel. And they have also a menu of the day. And Teremar is another, this is a 2-star hotel, but it looks lovely. They fully refurbished it from the outside. They've made a brand new terrace here by the pool. All the decorations with green and pink. This reminded me of a Gear Springs hotel. That's what it is. Reminds me a lot of this hotel from Met Playa. We have a full tour, by the way, here on the channel in hotels and campings playlist. So check it out, because maybe it's going to be easier for you slightly to actually choose the hotel for yourselves here in Benidorm. We have plenty of different types of videos out there for many hotels in different Benidorm locations. Old Town included, as well as the beach and the Rincon de Lodge, plus the British Street. Here we can see slightly more movement. It's not empty at all. Oh, there's new washing places automatic wash, like self-wash place, where you just purchase some coins, like some tokens, and you use them for washing. These are really, really big, and honestly, if you don't have a washer or dryer somewhere here when you're on holidays, it is a great choice to use these types of laundromats. Way cheaper than hotels' cleaning service. Some real estate companies are still open at this time. You can see the prices, by the way, here in Benidorm. There's a little bit of everything, honestly. And there's from cheaper to very expensive, millions worth properties, which are brand new ones. So depending on the budget and the needs and wants, there is budget for everyone here in the area. Slightly lower down, way more people. This is already the part where tourists do walk around. There's plenty of hotels, apartments, apart hotels nearby. There's 24-hour supermarkets that we start to see. The municipal market is right on the left side, and that's also where the Christmas house is located, which is just in a couple of months from now, where we're going to have Santa and the sleigh. We also start seeing first international bars. This one here is Vincent's Old Town. It's one of the oldest, I think, bars here in the area. It looks very nice. And it's located right in front of the brand new one, Villa España, which is a 4-star hotel here right in the Old Town. I think they've almost done refurbishing and renewing it. There's just a couple of things left from on the outside by the swimming pool, on the top, on the rooftop terrace, but the rest is basically done. The Voramar, another 4-star hotel. We've seen some of our subscribers that were staying here, and they say it's a lovely hotel. Honestly, very nice, very neat, very clean and tidy. And it's a perfect location for whichever hotel nearby you will choose. It is just a perfect location because you're located right here next to the Poniente beach, next to the Old Town, the Tapas Alley, if you're a fan of typical Spanish food. And even more hotels here nearby. Look at this. Hotel Tanit, 3-star hotel, right here. And there's also Milord Suites right on the left side, and many more options available for you guys. And look at where you would be. Right in the heart of the Old Town of Benidorm. Look at how vivid the atmosphere actually is. So many people having a walk around the Old Town, its shopping alleys. Numerous bars and cafeterias and restaurants are still open and available for you. And so many people are here enjoying some last evening drinks, some snacks maybe, just having the best time. And it is not cold at all just yet, which is incredible. You can sit down right here, listen to some music. There's actually quite a lot of street artists here in the area, usually and always. That are singing some songs, at least creating some kind of music, and today it is also the case. Right here next to the restaurants where we've previously been already, with the most expensive English breakfast. Right here on the terrace. Right nearby, we have the port of Benidorm for all the boat excursions and the Poniente beach, from where you can see the whole promenade and the Benidorm skyline. The skyscrapers can be seen from here, and there's more and more of them each time you're arriving to Benidorm because the construction work does not stop and many more residential complexes emerge here in the area. Quite expensive ones, honestly, but there's always someone who's willing to purchase a property in these as an investment for the future. The Dove Park, incredible. Not too many doves. I think they're all on the trees right above us. We can see them on the branches. And all the rest of people are here having a lovely walk. Meanwhile, it is so pleasant outside. It is quiet. However, at the same time, there's quite a bit of people, so you won't feel lonely or uncomfortable by having a walk in the evening when the sun sets down. There's even families with kids still outside. Very, very vivid atmosphere here in the area. The yellow submarine packed up with people today. And the lovely hotel Villa España with privileged location. Gorgeous, vivid Benidorm town in the most authentic Spanish area of our city. This is how it looks like in the evening on a typical workday right now, mid-October. Thank you for accompanying us today, and we'll see you with a brand new video this evening. Stay tuned.